On April 14, 2025, President of Turkmenistan, as a part of his visit to Japan, took part in the ceremonial events dedicated to the National Day of Turkmenistan at the World Expo 2025. The main pavilions within the nearly 2-kilometer-long structure, including national pavilions from nearly 160 countries, as well as pavilions from international organizations and large companies. The Osaka exhibition was organized under the main theme, Creating a Society of the Future for Our Lives, which is divided into 3 sub-themes: saving lives, expanding life opportunities, and connecting lives. In a solemn atmosphere, to the applause of those gathered, the head of the state, Serdar Berdimuhamedov, cuts the symbolic ribbon of the National Pavilion. On the opening of the National Day of Turkmenistan at the exhibition confirmed that our country is ready to cooperate with the countries around the world and implement joint initiatives in the various fields. The exterior design of the Turkmenistan Pavilion reflects traditional carpet patterns, the famed Ahalteka horses, and the beautiful image of our wonderful nature. The shape of the Turkmenistan Pavilion, in the form of a rounded triangle, symbolizes renewal and sustainable development. The Turkmenistan Pavilion consists of 3 floors, all of which are equipped with modern technologies. During the acquaintance with the National Pavilion of our country, the representatives of Japan witnessed that Turkmenistan's great achievements in various sectors. The products presented at the exhibition bearing the national trademark Made in Turkmenistan, which are competitive in international markets, further enhanced Turkmenistan's prestige and reflected its enormous production potential. The World Expo is a unique international event that brings together countries, companies, and organizations to showcase their achievements, new technologies, and cultures. The World Expo 2025 opened on April 13 on the artificial island of Umeshima in the Japanese prefecture of Osaka and will last until October 13.